Hi folks, Reese here with the Enduro.rocks E Enduro. A little bit of an update on the previous video. We've had some major upgrades to these bikes over the last 6 months. We now have a reservoir shock, better adjustability, works a hell of a lot better. And on the front we have the compression and rebound dampening on the top of the forks. It's a different fork altogether. Works really good. Compared to the old model, it's day and night difference. These bikes are built specifically for us here in Canada because we noticed that there was things that needed to be upgraded on them. The tuning has been upgraded for 2022 as well. Comes on a lot more gently than it used to. Before, it used to come on just full torque, and that was a little bit of a handful, but now it comes on more gradually and builds like a two-stroke does. Still gob loads of torque. It's got the 4-speed transmission with the clutch. It's got Brembo style brakes on it, uses KTM brake pads, which is good, handy to get. 21-inch front. This is a demo, of course, so it's pretty dusty, but yeah, 21-inch front wheel, 18-inch rear wheel. There's a little sight glass there for the transmission oil. Just uses like a 5-weight 30 mineral oil in the gearbox. Obviously the engine's joint to the other side. There's no other lubrication needed, just for the gearbox. The clutch is handy, but you don't always need to use it. Just like on a dirt bike, the clutch really serves no purpose with gear changing other than to take a little bit of the load off, which, you know, easing off on the throttle does the same thing. And one other little thing that I do here is I put a keyed ignition on and get rid of the alarm system that they do get sent to us with. It's easier for them just to keep putting it on just the same. Putting the alarm system on, but we pull that off and then just add a keyed ignition to it. Just allows us to leave it places without being able to people taking off on it. Other than that, we've got our decal kit. Mountain View Motorsports, a local dealer here in the lower mainland of BC, Canada, is selling them and also distributing them for us. So if you want to contact Brian at Mountain View Motorsports, he's going to be able to hook you up with these little babies. But they are a hell of a lot of fun. Huge amount of power. Like, people are just blown away when they go to ride them and go, holy cow, they got some grunt. But they also got the setting to put it down onto to a lower setting if you're gonna let friends ride it, or you know, your girlfriend or wife ride it, or whatever. If they're not experienced riders, they can just put it onto the eco mode and it really cuts the power down a lot. The headlight on these is really good. Very impressed with it. Would like to put one of these headlights onto the dirt bike as well. Super bright, really nice way it puts the light out on the street. Really good. So yeah, just a little update. This is a green frame, but most of them come with the black frame. We got sent 2 with the green frame. It's not as popular as the black, so we're just sort of not getting any more of the green frames in. It's great for the demo, doesn't really matter. But yeah, any questions, send me a message on YouTube and I'll get back to you.